What's up, YouTube? What's up, live? I'm back with another fucking video. I'm back like I never left, man. Put this on the day. Alright, so as you can see, 9:30 is 9:33. So, price took out Asia high right here. It took out this Asia high. And then, if you go on a 5-minute time frame, it was an open SIBI fair value gap right here on Asia. Asia high right here, as you can see. And it took out all Asia highs from last night, Sunday night. It took it out. It took out London high right here. And now it went into the old week gap of last week, of 2 weeks ago, on May 16th. It went to this old week gap. And now I want to see this 5-minute high, this 5-minute sell side liquidity get delivered to. Now I also like to see this 5-minute sell side liquidity get delivered to. And if that can happen, if those two get touched by price, I would like to see this 1 hour high right here. This 1 hour high get delivered to. So I'm not trying to pick any tops or set any buys for right now. But as of right now, I want to be bullish, because if you go on a daily time frame, let me start on a weekly so I can show you and go down. If you start on a weekly time frame, as you can see, we have a SIBI right here that's open that price trade up to last week, and now this week I low-key want to see price fill in this SIBI on a weekly time frame and go up, taking out these two highs on the daily. These two highs on the daily time frame. So that's why I said I want to be bullish and barely bearish. You feel me? Okay, now price is coming up into this 5-minute high. Let's see where is the first present before you got, because I didn't get that shit for him yet. So 9:30, 9:31. So I guess it can be right here. So I'm gonna delete this 5-minute. We don't need this 5-minute anymore. So this is the first present before you got right here. Monday's first present right at 06/02. Inside right 10. Black, bold, make it white instead. Yeah, we're gonna make it white. Okay, we also don't need this Asia high no more, since price already traded into it. Now I want to see this 5-minute get touched. This 5-minute high right here and right here. Okay. Let me see what ES looking like. Hold on. So ES, I want to see these highs get taken out on ES right here. This high and this high. I want to see this high get taken out, and I want to see this high get taken out. These two highs right here, I want to see it get taken out on the 15-minute time frame on ES, and then if it do trade into this, I want to see it trading back into the new week gap on the 16th. So I completely want to be bearish. I mean bullish today. That's my bias, to be bullish. It took out this Asia high already. It's gonna come inside the new week gap of Asia. I mean of yesterday and this week. It's gonna fit this in already. Now I want to see it come in here, and then come in here, and then come in here. This 5-minute for right gap. Let me note it for you guys. Make it orange. I want to see price come in here. First, present. I forgot how I used to write this shit. (06/02). Yeah, chat. So yeah, we bullish as hell. So I want to see these highs get touched right here. Both of these highs. Before price do anything, I want to see both of these highs get touched. We're back on NQ. Okay. So NQ went into the new week gap. I'm not new week gap. It went into the 5-minute for right gap. The 5-minute sell side liquidity I was telling you guys about. This one right here. And I want to see the 1 hour get traded up too. So it traded up, delivered to this. Now I'm looking for the red line right here, this high right here to get delivered to. So far so good. That was 170 pips. I like how I kept respecting the 27th first present for red gap. Like, if I bust this shit down on the 1-minute time frame, I can take this off now because it delivered to that. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna still leave this right here up there though, because I want to see what price do right here. So I'm gonna still leave that up right there. Still want to see this get charged in 1 hour. Where the fuck did my mouse go? The fuck just happened? I don't even see my mouse. What the fuck just happened, chat? I don't want to restart my stream, bro. I'm gonna have to restart my stream. I can't even see my mouse. Why the fuck I got my headphones? Oh, yeah, now it's ball game, chat. I don't know why I have these headphones on for. Nah, it's ball game for real, for real. When I have this on, bro, I feel like I'm in the lab. All right, now my shit wanna pop up. Dumbass shit. I feel like I'm in the lab now. All right, chat. You feel me? All right, chat. It's 9:44. We got 6 minutes until the micro time. We got 5 minutes and 8 seconds. 5 minutes and okay. Micro time starts right here at 9:50. It's a 15 second minor sell side right here. This is a 15 second minor sell side, and we got one right here too. All right, it traded into the sell side, the minor sell side. Okay, it looked like it want to go into the first pins. It might want to go back into the first pins for very gap. All right, yeah. So I want to see it drop down a little bit lower. We got some lows right here. All right, so I like how it kept they bodies inside this fair value gap. It trading in back to the first fair value gap. Bodies respected the upper half. Now, if it do want to drop, I want to see it take out this low and this low. And this is the minor sell side. So when I say minor, that mean like a quick a quick run, a quick deliver to, a quick deliver to. So that's why I say it's minor sell side. Cause price still gonna go up here and shit, but it is a matter of time. But right now, it might just do a retracement back into these little levels right here before it do its thing for real. Now let me go back on NQ. Now, like I said, I wanted NQ to come back into the first present value gap. The thing that I kept fucking up, switching up right here. This. So now it's trading back into it's 950. I don't need this shit no more. But now price trading back into this first present value gap. We're gonna see how it react to it. We're gonna see if it come trade right in through it to take out these lows right here. This 1 minute minor sell side. Not sell side, but these minor buy side. And this right here. Or does it come to the first present for value gap for today? Come to the new week gap, trade into it, respectfully, and then come back up, taking out this high right here at 930. So we got two options. Price come back down into the new week gap, play with it, jump around and shit, and push it higher. Or price can come completely down and taking out these lows right here, just like I told you on ES. I showed you on ES. These lows right here. And I want to say, yes, I want it to take out these minor buy sides right here, right here, right here, and this is the 8 o'clock low. This is the 6 o'clock low. All right, so it took out this south side right here. It took out this south side. Now I want to see it come in here. This one right here. And this is a London. This is London buy side right here. This is London buy side, so it can come down here, come down and take out this one, deliver to this one too. Okay, now it traded through the first present value gap. Now it's at a new week gap, like I told y'all I was gonna touch. Now we're gonna see if it come back down and take out this 9 o'clock low, equal lows right here. Take out this low, and then this London low right here. I don't got to mark it because I did it on ES, but I get the point. Okay, it's trading. Okay, now let's see what the next 5 minute candle do. Let's see if it respect the new week gap, or let's see if it trade through it and deliver to the first present value gap of last week's. 9 times out of 10, it should take out this low. But we're gonna see though. All right, the 955. That's what I was waiting for. The 5 minute candle. Look how the 955 candle just shoot down. Look at it, chat. So now I want to see it delivering to these fair value gap right here. I want to see it deliver to this inversion. This is an inversion fair value gap. This is an inversion fair value gap. Ooh, ooh, price. Ooh, don't tell me it's gonna trade in here like I wanted it to do to come back up. Hold on, cause look how they are respected the new we got. Then on the 5 minute, look how they respected the last week Friday, first present Friday gap. Now, don't get me wrong. Now it might treat the first present Friday gap of today like an inversion. Now look at it. Look how it respected the upper half. So now we just gotta wait and see if it do want to come back down or treat this like a support level and go back up. Yeah, price still bullish. Price is still bullish. Price is still bullish. Price is still gonna go up. These right here was just the minor these right here was just the minor buy side. I mean sell sides. I want the price to touch. You feel me? On some quick shit. This could have been a quick little trade right here. You feel me? Even though price do come to these levels right here, to these lows, I'm still bullish, chat. My major bias is gonna be bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like price can come back down and take out these 1 minute lows because they look good. They look too good. But at the end of the day, I want to see it come back up into this Ferrari gap. I'm gonna make this one long so y'all can know. Make it a little bit darker too. All right, so it treated the first present Ferrari gap as an inversion, as of an inversion Ferrari gap, leaving the upper half open. So now it's trading back lower into this buy side, this minor buy side. And on ES, I already know it went down to it's going down into the third yellow buy side right here, this low right here, this 6 a.m. low. But I doubt price come down into this 3 o'clock low, London low. Like I doubt price to come down over here, but it can. It can do come down into this line right here, but I doubt it though. And I think that's the 4 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the 4 hour price right here. All right, now it's gonna come down into this 6 o'clock low right here. All right, chat. So as you can see, as you guys can see, as you guys can see, it's 10 o'clock. And price came down to these lows right here, like I told you I wanted it to do, and came into this inversion fair value gap. Now it might treat this last week first present fair value gap as a support level, like a trampoline, and push price even higher to take out this minor buy side right here. I mean sell side. So now we got this, and we got this. Yes. Yes, take out this low right here. Like I told you, I wanted to take out. So we're gonna knock these shits off right here. You feel me? And they came into the the 130 first present for Ray gap. I think that was last Friday, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I ain't put the date, but yeah. And then this is the London buy side that I told y'all I might not want to see it come down to. And as you can see, it didn't come down to it yet. But it might hit it. It might hit it, but I don't want to see it hit it. Because don't forget, I want to be bullish. I just wanted to see these minor buy sides get delivered to before price do what it's finna do. You feel me? Chino, I'm gonna make y'all go to cage. I'm looking at my other screen, y'all. My bad. Hold on. We got this spot right here. Cage, fuck out of here, bro. You don't let me dirt in the fucking house. Cage, move. Go. Go. Dirty ass nigga. All right, chat. So what? Let me see what ES doing. See, ES still haven't taken out these buy sides. They still haven't taken out these buy sides yet. Like, the price finna take out the fuck out these buy sides. I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm telling y'all, bro. Even with fucking NQ, you gotta take out this buy side right here. And yeah. You see how price traded into the last week for gap. It took out the 8 o'clock low, but I don't want to see it take out the London. I just don't, cause that's like a too deep of a fucking, you feel me? Too deep of a fucking. Long story short, bro, London lows is too deep. I don't want to see price go over there at all. I don't, to be honest. Now price is back at the first present for Fair gap. I mean, not the first, the inversion for Fair gap. Let's see if it's treated like an inversion again to go up, leaving the lower half open. It's 10:06. It's still micro time. Micro time in 4 minutes. So basically, you could have not 50 started right here. You could have entered the trade right here at the first present value gap of today, leaving the lower upper half open, taking out these lows right here. So that would have been an 85 pip run. 85 pip run, taking out these lows right here. And if you wanted to be greedy, you could have hit 100 by leaving it at the first present value gap of last week. You feel me? Now it's 10:06. Let's say if you want to take another trade, right? Let's see what the 15-second holding about. So 15, if you want to be long right now, because right now you should want to be long. And please don't copy my trades. Please don't copy my trades, chat. Let's say if you want it to be long, right? Into this, a quick 60 pips, taking out this high right here, right? I don't even know where the thing at. Where the fuck that shit at? Anyway, you go along right here, right? Or stop loss. I don't know where the thing at for me to place my. Oh, it's right here. I'm tripping, chat. So yeah, your stop loss would be right here, a 15 or 10 pip stop loss under this low, and then you could have right here 75 pip. Right now you would have been floating 55 pips. It's still micro time, so that's why I said you could have entered off this 15-second fair value gap, leaving the lower half open, and your stop loss would have been right under this inversion fair value gap, right under this inversion fair value gap. So you would have had 12 pip stop loss going for a 76 run. I mean pips, and you could have took some partial out when price took out this high, and then you could have let it run into this high right here, 120 plus pips. That easy. Let me take this off the screen. That easy, chat. That easy. And then if you want some more confirmations, you go on ES. See what ES looking like. Okay, ES. It traded to the 130 first present fair value gap. You feel me? Failed to come inside the 4-hour fair value gap. That's still open. It failed to come down to it, right? Then you hit it on the 15-minute time frame. Go on the 15-minute time frame. 15-second time frame. Look at this. 10:06, 10:05, 10:06. Look how I left the lower half open, and so it indicates that it do want to go up for real and take out this minor buy side on the 15-second right here, and then we still got some small buy sides right here on the 15-second. That price gonna come up to. You feel me? On the 15-minute, look how it came down and failed to take out this London buy side. You see how it failed to take out the London buy side, chat? It failed to take out the London buy side. So that's why I said I still want to be bullish as fuck. I want to be bullish. I want to see these two highs get touched on ES. Now we go back on NQ. We go back on NQ. Okay. Now it failed to come back up into the first present fair gap today. But I still want to see it running through it and take out this high. So right now you'd been floating 50 pips. You'd been floating 50 pips. This would have been 75 pips, and then this high right here would have been 100 plus 20 pips. And I won't. That's how you know when like the fair value gaps are valid, when they have like a little small high next to it. So this fair value gap is completely valid. I want to see this fair value gap get traded into. This is a CB fair value gap, as you can see. Don't forget, you remember when I told you guys about this fair value gap? Like I wanted it to stand out more. That's why I made it darker. This right here is still valid. This right here, price gonna run into this fair value gap like it's nothing. I want to see that shit get well delivered to. I want to see that fair value gap right there get well delivered to, chat. No cap. Excuse me. Look how on the 15-second time frame, I got this little biscuit right here, right? Like how all three of them candles said, hell no, I don't even want to come inside this fair value gap. Fuck you. Look how they all just get this shit. So you telling me this is selling and buying pressure that stop price at the tick and to not enter this fair value gap? You think this is buying and selling pressure? You fucking dumbass. You see how price respecting the last week Friday first person fair value gap? It did it right. It been doing it for 15 minutes straight. It did it right here. It did it all right here. You feel me? So now, if you in like a position or like you don't know if it's gonna go up or down, you just wait until the micro is completely done, which is 10:15. 10:10. When I don't like really see nothing, I just wait an extra 5 minutes. 10:15. And if you don't see nothing then you just wait to the next macro, which is 10:50. You feel me? Because right now, I'd like, damn, I don't like how they are respected the first present for Friday gap on Friday. Like, look how they are respecting that shit. Like, you want to go down and take out this low, and then come into the London low right here. That's what I would have been thinking right now. I ain't gonna lie. But for real, that's how the price be trying to trick y'all. The market be trying to trick y'all when y'all see shit like this. But really, it's gonna fuck around and go up. Take out all this buy side, all this minor buy side right here. It's gonna go up and take out all this minor buy side right here. This buy side, and then come into this buy side right here. This sell side, I mean. Because right now, I would have been stuck. I don't know if that would have been going down by respecting these fair value gap, first person fair value gap, or going up still. But I'm gonna stick to my bias and say I want it to go up. And if it do come down back into this 15-second fair value gap and this inversion fair value gap, it do. I'm just gonna wait to the next macro, which is at 10:50, and just get a better entry of price going up. But I do really want to see it go up. Let me look at it. Hold on. Yeah, I want to see it go up for real, for real. I don't need this there no more. I don't need this there no more either. I have a lot of shit on my screen. Damn. Look how they all do respect the first person for value gap. Hold on, chat. Damn. All right, chat. I'm back. My bad. So what the market's doing right now? What the fuck did I tell y'all, man? What did I tell y'all? What I wanted price to do? I told you I was still gonna be bullish. It can't come down into this 15-second time frame. It's 15-second right here. Look how I treated this inversion right here. Look how I treated this inversion busy right here. Look how it left the lower half open. Look how I left the lower half open. Now it's trading into this 1 minute sell side liquidity. I like how I was delivering it to it. Now it's back inside the first present for gap of today. now now it's trading inside the first present for gap of today. Now I want to see this high get taken out, which it did. Now the next high is this high. Then when this high get taken out, I want to see it come inside this yellow for gap right here, chat. And after that, we done for today. No cap. After that, we is done for today. No cap, chat. This 15-second high right here. Uh, uh, uh. Come on, chat. Stop playing crazy, man. What you guys doing? All right. So as you can see, ES traded into this 15-second high right here. The next high is this high, 15-second, which is inside the first present for gap. So I don't really gotta post that. So I want this high to get taken out, and I want these highs to get taken out. And then look how I respected look how price respect. This could have been your entry right here. Micro time at 10:05, 10:06. You respected the 15-second for gap. Look how I kept the lower half open. Cage, you know, cage, Chino, cage. Fucking dog, bro. But look how I left the 15-second lower half open. This right could have been your entry right here. Look, you could have had a smaller entry, to this high, and then into the first present for gap, right here. But in the long run though, I want to see these highs get touched. Okay, it took out this minor buy side at 9:57. I'm gonna take this off now. Now this is my next delivery spot, my next delivery target right here. So I really just told y'all where the market was gonna go when it came back down. Now I'm telling y'all where it's gonna go when it go up. Like this with ICT concept. This is ICT model, and I'm not even using the other 5 fucking models that he gave me. This is just I'm just using 2 models with the Favre gap, with the highs and lows. You feel me? With the micro time, putting it to work. So we got 25 more minutes, 24 minutes until the next micro starts. It'll start at 10:50. So we got 24 minutes until it starts. We got this low right here, this high right here. We got this high, and now we got this high right here. We got this 15-second Favre gap, CB, that I don't even have to note because the 1 minute high is already on there. As you can see, is this right here, this Favre gap, and that's where I want price to come to. Then I want price to come into here. So let's say you like, damn, I want to join. Is it too late? Can I join? Is it too late? If I join, I don't want to chase price now. I don't want to see it come back down. Well, I'm gonna give you an entry target to join the trade. So you can really wait until it come back down into this 15-second BISI, right? And see how it look, see how price. Basically, you see, look, like see what temperature the price is giving. Like if it's like, does it really want to come down into this 15-second BISI, or does it really want to go up? So as of right now, smaller stop loss. So you had a 11 pip stop loss. You feel me? You want to hold it into here. You can hold it into here, the OE gap of the 16, and then come right here with it. You feel me? But you don't have to join right here because you don't have to, like, what if it don't come back down? You can just join off right here. You feel me? Now look. Now watch it deliver. It can stop you out now. That's for the traders that want to join late and that don't want to chase price. You feel me? Like it can't always come back down and stop you out now and come into the first person for right gap. Because that's what price like to do. But like if the old me, if I wanted to like chase price but not really chase price, I would have joined somewhere around here. Now I want to see it delivered to this first person for right gap and then to this right here. On ES, so ES got going on. Okay, ES is back at the first person for right gap. I definitely want to see this get filled. Let's see what the 1030 do. The 1030 should push price higher. I ain't gonna lie. 1030 gotta push price higher. Into this. Still got these two right here. Okay, 1030 should push it higher. It's 1030 now. On the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute doing. Ten thirty gonna push this bitch higher, man. Come on, 1030. What you gonna do? 1030? 1030? Stop playing crazy. 1030? Push that shit higher, man. Stop playing games. Stop playing games with a nigga, man. Oh, that's why. Alright, so I ain't even do that. Alright, so oh yeah, it's a 4 hour Sibi that price is fighting right now. That's why I was doing that. Cause that middle line on a 4 hour time frame is like a strong like speed bump. So before price do go up, price gonna want to fight in between that shit. Cause it's a speed bump on a 4 hour time frame. I'm on my other iMac right now. I can't see that, but it's like a little 4 hour busy. That price want to fight is right now is at the middle coach line. So once price done fighting that shit, then it's gonna go up into the levels I wanted it to go up to. So we just gotta wait and be patient. And I think if it don't do it now, between now and 10:45, then at 10:50, that's when it's gonna want to deliver to the upside. I'm not trying to pick any tops. I'm just saying what I feel like and what I think. Once price delivered to my thing, I'm gonna be off this shit, man. And what I finna say? I'm about to fast, bro. Fuck. All right, child. As you can see, price came up to the first present for right gap. It came up to the first present for right gap. Now is in here. Told you I want to see it come here. Now it's gonna take out this high, and then come into the new we got. And that's exactly what I wanted price to do. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nice trading observation day today, man. This is ES. Right now, you'd have been floating 30 pips because it came back down. But yeah, took out this high like I wanted to. It came back to the old weak gap. Okay. Now I want to see it trade into this not first, but this little Sibby fair value gap. And then come into this 5-minute high. Come back up into this 5-minute high right here. This 5-minute high and then this 1 hour high right here. Come on, chat. Stop playing crazy with a nigga, man. My bad, chat. Ain't really nothing to say. I'm just waiting for price to deliver to my target. That's all. I'm gonna take this off the chart. Nah, never mind. I'm just gonna slide it over a little bit. It's 10:38, man. We got 12 more minutes until the next micro start. Next 10 minutes. We got a little sell side right here on the 15-minute. We're gonna keep this in place. This little small buy sell side right here. You feel me? Damn, price didn't hurry up and come back up into here. All right, it came back down to this 15-second sell side. Okay, came inside this fair value gap right here. Now let's see if it treat this like a trampoline and react to it, or does it come down into the first present fair value gap for today and then go back up. All right, so it treated this inversion. I mean, not inversion. It treated this um fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. Came back to it, left the lower half open again. Now I might want to go up. It can still come back down into it, trade into it. You feel me? But now I treated this like a fair value gap, Su- supporting this middle approach line. Might go up, taking out this high right here. I don't need this high right here no more. Look at the body respected the fucking lower half of the inversion for value gap. Look at this. Then when you bring the 15-second over, look at it respect the lower half of it. They stay inside of it. I don't really need this no more, do I? All right, price came back down a little bit because the 4 hour busy is like the bigger the time frame, the stronger the PD array. So the 4 hour busy fair value gap is like it's slowly respecting the middle approach line on the fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. So it's gonna go up, go down, go up, go down. You feel me? But at the end of the day, it's gonna shoot through it. It's just doing that because the 4 hour PDL rate is strong as fuck. Because the higher the time frames, the stronger the PDL rate is. You feel me? So the PDL rate on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame, yeah, that's a PDL rate, but it's not strong as if it was the daily PDL rate, the weekly PDL rate, the 4 hour PDL rate, the 1 hourly PDL rate. You feel me? So right now we currently fighting inside the 4 hour PDL rate, and you can't see it on my chart because it's on my other screen. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. May 27th. So basically, is in here. I'm the fucking board in here. So look, this is the 4 hour time frame. Look how the price. Look how chart did this. Went into it, came but closed under it. This came into it, but closed right here. This came into it, closed right here. This traded the lower, 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 lower. Now this came up to it all the way high, closed under it. Now this right here it came up to it, but I don't want to see it close under it though. Like all these candles did for the past week or two. Past week, not week or two, but past week. These all close on the lower side of the 4 hour for BIST right here. For right, you got. You said they all stayed inside of it. So right now it's going up. See, right now it's going up. So that's the 4 hour PDL rate I was telling you guys about, which is on my other screen. It's it. Mboko. Mboko turn. No. All right. Now price is currently trading inside of the 4 hour BIST. Is closely at the middle line. I don't know if I should start going live on Twitch now or start on YouTube. Raw money number one. Fuck. Raw money number. Bro, what? The price still respecting this 15-second for right gap, as you can see. I'm just later on my time. See, now what if I want to stop recording this shit? I don't want to record this shit no more. I hate when they do that shit, bro. Stop recording. All right, chat. We back. Okay. Now, I love how price trending back up into it now. Finna take out this higher, come inside this Ferrari gap, and then come to this 5 minute high right there. See him right here. Look how I left all the lower. Look how I traded inside the first bit of Ferrari gap. If I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, trading right inside of it. Oh yeah, now it's 10:50. I even people it's 10:50, 10:45. Look how I traded inside the Ferrari gap. Look how all the bodies stayed inside of it. Now it's 10:50. 10:50 gonna say goodbye. 10:50 gonna say goodbye. First price of Ferrari gap. I'm leaving you. Let me go up. Let me fuck around. Go up. If price don't do nothing by the time this micro ends, I'm just gonna end the chat, man, and end the stream. But I should see this shit deliver to my PDRAs, to my target. Oh shit. I should try to screen record this right now. Alright, chat.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at me make
Order
it quick.
filled. Order filled.
2,000 real quick. I was supposed to been join this trade, but I didn't. You feel me? Let's go on the ES. Let's see what ES doing. Alright. It's 10:52. I'm down $400. I was supposed to enter the trade right here, but I was just doing some shit. Damn, I'm playing. I've been supposed to join this shit. Alright, chat. But I'm good. I'm good though. I want to see this get real delivered too. Turn that off real quick. Easy 2300 chat. Easy 2300. Oh, you think I might have to re-entry if it comes out back in here or something? But nah, you good, you good. This is for TikTok. Huh? No? Alright, I'm gonna re-enter the trade. Hold on, chat.
Order filled.
Alright, chat.
Order filled.
Watch me make it
Order
quick.
filled.
3K.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Right here. This high right here, 2900. Alright. It's 1050. It's 1055 now. Then my stop loss can be at this low right here. So basically, I'm gonna put it right here. Put it right here. So I'm risking 1100 to make almost 3K. It's 1056. Okay. It's a micro time level. This is 21480. 21480. Oh, so this is my like 2480. So this 5K profit. So this is this is where I want price to really come to, but I don't think I got the balls to hold it until 21480, cause that's the 1 minute. This little red line right there, this right here, this is the 1 hour high right here. That price most likely gonna come up to, which would make me 5K. But to be honest, I don't got the balls to hold it for that long, so that's why I said my target might be this high right here, which is almost 3K. But I can take out some partial right here and let the rest run. But we're gonna see how it play out, how everything plays out. Right now I'm floating 500, 600. Okay. I love how price has been respecting this 15-second BSC since 10:30. This formed at 10:22. Price has been respecting that shit, not going to lower half. You feel me? Okay, now I take out this small buy side, this minor buy side. Now I want to take out this minor buy side right here. Okay, I'm flowing $1,000 right now, as you can see. I told you I wanted to be major. My bias today was bullish. Bullish. I told y'all where the market was going to go when it dropped, and I'm telling y'all where it's going to go when it go higher. You feel me? If y'all go on my YouTube channel and watch my stream, I told y'all how it take out this small high. These minor sell side right here. Take out these lows. Came inside this first present fair gap of last week. You feel me? Then the micro time at 10:05 respected this 15-second February gap, and then it respected this inversion February gap, pushing price higher into the last Friday first present Friday gap. You feel me? Then taking out this high, failed to come inside this not first present, but this open BSC right here, CB right here, came back down, Created this fucking 15 second. Let me stop talking so fast. Came back down, respected the 15 second for right gap for like 20-30 minutes straight. You feel me? Then I entered it right here once again at 10:56 micro time. Now I want a price to take out this small minor buy side and then come inside this SIBI right here. And if we can do that, I'll be done for today. Flowing $1,000 right now so far. Let's see what ES doing. Let's see what ES doing. Ooh, 11 o'clock. Ooh, it's gonna take out this high and this high. We're gonna put a high right here. Make it yellow. I'm floating 1,200 right now so far. 1,300 now. All right, now is at the old week gap today. From 2 weeks ago, is at the old week gap. Now I want to see it take out this high and this high. Okay, so far on the 4-hour time frame, price went through the 4-hour time frame. You feel me? Okay, 11 o'clock just started. Now I want to see it continue up. All right, I'm floating 1,500. Floating 1,600 now. All right, I'm flowing 1,800. I'm gonna be flowing 2K. That's what I like to see. As you can see, it's June 2nd, 11 a.m. As you can see, the market is open. This is not no market replay. This is real live trading. You feel me? All right, now price is trying to come out that 4-hour busy, man. That 4-hour busy that I just told y'all about on my stream like 10 minutes ago. Price is trying to come out of it. Come on, man. You got this. Just push through. Push that shit through, man. Push that shit through. Push that shit through, man. Stop playing crazy. Floating back 1,500 again. I'm still on this trade no matter what. I might take some out. I ain't gonna take some out yet, but when I do though, I'm gonna take 7 out. When I do take some out, I'm gonna take 7 bitches out. Okay. Let's see what ES doing real quick. ES, that should be our. ES be acting like our extra confirmation sometimes. Price didn't help him come take out these highs, bro. You need to help him take out these 2 highs right here. Come on, man. Come on, chat. Stop playing with the nigga, bro. Is it gonna come take out these highs or what? Is it gonna come take out not the is it gonna trade outside the 4-hour for right gap, or is it gonna keep on staying inside of it, bro? That's what I'm worried about. Like shit like time like this, I just wanna take that 1,600 and leave. I wanna take that 1,600 out and leave. And then when I do take out and leave, the next 30 minutes, price shoot up and deliver where I wanted it to deliver to. And I'm like, damn, I should have held. You feel me?
I might take out 7 real quick. Should I? God, look what I just did. I was just up 1,800 to being up $200. I was just up 200. I was just up almost 2 bands to being up $200, bro. That's why I be telling you I should have taken my I should have I just nah. Let me start saying I should have because I believe in this trade. I believe this trade 100 not 100% but like 70%. You feel me? ES must have did some bullshit. Came back. Oh, ES came back into the first present for very gap. You feel me? This shit right here getting me nervous, man. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Hey, you see my vape here?
Right there.
No, another one. It was a red one.
No.
Hey, what time that host to come to the shop?
Where at Sense Web?
Yeah.
She said she won't be here tomorrow, but I think anytime. I'm gonna go right after this.
I'm waiting on some shit to come to Jimmy house right now.
In Jimmy house?
Yep. Just gonna go sit in front of his crib today.
You ain't sent them other phones yet?
Been so nice. I think that's like 2 days ago. For like $640 each.
Damn.
Mobile. She gave me 3,200.
3,200?
Yep.
God. Alright, I'm back up 700. It's still micro time. I don't like how this micro time played out though. Like it did this, came back down, did this, came back down into here. Like it was looking. This was like a weak micro. I ain't gonna lie, chat. It was a weak micro. You think it looked good or not, but it was looking weak.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, this is a weak ass micro chart. I ain't gonna lie. This micro right here was way better. There's 950 to 1010. This micro is looking shitty. Yeah, I don't like how on the 4 hour time frame it respected inside of this Ferrari gap right here on the 4 hour. I don't like it. Just for that, chat.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So now we risking 1400 to make 3500. 4K for that. We're risking 1400 to make 4500.